Hello guys, in last video we have seen how to use the text widget, center widget, scaffold and safe area widgets. In this video let me show you how to use column widget and row widget. So this is the basic layout of the Flutter. I have explained the structure in my last video. So let me directly go into the column widget. For this we have to pass the argument in body and type column, the keyword, and this column has children. This children contains a list of widgets. The widgets may be container or anything, and I am giving the height and width for this container. And I am giving the colors dot blue. Okay, if we save it, automatically the container will be created with blue color, and I am copying this twice, and I am changing the color. Here green, here I am giving yellow. So now we can see three containers as we have created in the column. So this column has a property called a main axis alignment, which represents the column. So we can give the argument like center. If we give main axis alignment dot center, all the widgets inside the column will come into the center. If we give space between, every widget will be created some space around it. And if we give space around, it is same as space between, starting and ending space will be created. So there is another argument called cross-axis alignment. So cross-axis alignment dot start, everything will be the widgets inside the column will start from the row. Since the width of the column is up to the container, we cannot see the changes. So now I am wrapping this column with container and giving some specified width and giving some colors dot number. Since we have given start at the cross axis, it comes from the start. If I give end, it will go to the end of the row. So main axis is for the column and cross axis is for the row. Whereas if I change this column to row, everything is just opposite. Main axis is for row and column is for, cross axis is for column. Sorry, here a small overflow. Since we have given a specified width, yeah, that's it. So that's all for today, and follow for more videos and don't forget to subscribe.